Hello everyone, myself Darshana S. Rangdar from Sri Hingulambika Ayurvedic Medical College, Kalburgi, to give a seminar on topic examination of breast milk, guided by Dr. Annapurna Ma'am, Department of Balroga. Introduction. What is breast milk? Breast milk or mother's milk is a milk produced by mammary glands located in the breast of a human female to feed a young child. Breast milk is a primary source of nutrition for newborns before they are able to eat and digest other food. शुद्ध स्तन लक्षण अव्यहत बला अंग आयुर्रोग वर्धते सुखम शिशुधात्रेय अनापतिः शुद्ध क्षीर लक्षणम uninterrupted strength gained by a child that which does not cause difficulty to mother and shishu is a shuddha stanya lakshana. स्तन्य संपतु प्रकृति वर्ण गंध रस स्पर्शनम उदापात्रे च दुह्यमान उदकम व्योति प्रकृति भूतत्वात् तत पुष्टिकरम आरोग्यकरम चेति. This tells the physical examination of breast milk. These are as follows. First, normal color. Due to pigment present, it represents Prakruti Varna. Normal smell. It should have Prakruti Gandha due to the smelling factor. Normal taste indicates Mahapancha Bhuta dominance, that which gives Madhura Rasa and Kashaya Anurasa. Fourth, normal feeling of touch and temperature available at a desired temperature to the body. Fifth, normal coldness, Shitala, indicates the amount of water present in the breast milk. Sixth, without any contamination, Amala, devoid of alteration and contamination of a breast milk. Seventh, normal texture and complexion, yellowish white in color. Eighth, not too much frothy. Afenilaha, if present, indicates excessive Vayu Mahabhuta in present, leading to the Vataja quality. Not too much sticky, floating or much immersing. Has normal fat content in the breast milk. In this picture, we can see the differentiation and vitiation of a breast milk, that which is frothy, light in color, color differentiation, etc. Let's see the chemical examination of breast milk. It is seen by the solubility in water media, also called as water solubility test. The breast milk is mixed with water readily and can't be separated or separately distinguished. These effects when put over water can be distinguished such as: first, if Vataja Talvana floats due to less fat and protein content. Second, if Pittaja Tantutva divides in a thread-like fraction. Third, if Kapaja Avasadi immersed and collected in the bottom. Next, we shall see clinical examination, which suggests continuous uninterrupted growth of a body along with steady gaining of weights. There will be maintenance of health status with well-developed immunity. Breast milk is considered as pure if it leads to continuous weight gain and maintain healthy status of the baby. Examination of breast milk according to dosha. Breast milk should be tested by putting it over pure standing water. It should have natural color, smell, taste and touch. When poured into a pot of water, it should mix at once perfectly with water, as water being a natural kind. Prakruti Varna Gandha Rasa Sparshanam Udapatre cha Tuvyamana Udakam Vyoti Prakruti Bhutatvata. It should mix immediately with water so that can't be differentiated. It should have Madhura taste, devoid of abnormal color, and it's free from complications. Vataja vitiated breast milk. Tata kashayam bhaveta vatata kshiptam cha lavate ambasi. Milk that is dark or reddish in color, astringent in taste, clear, no marked smell, dry, watery, frothy, light and non-satisfying, causes lean body and generate Vataja disorder, should be considered as Vata vitiated breast milk. Pittaja vitiated breast milk. Pittada amla sakatukam rajyo ambasi. That which tells milk which is black or bluish, yellow or coppery, is discolored, has an aftertaste of sour or pungent. has a smell like that of an impure blood that is very warm, thus leads to an origin of disorder of pitta, are indicative of vision of breast milk by pitta. Kaphaja vitiated breast milk. Kafadaghanam pichilam cha jale cha apya avasadati. That tells milk that is very white, very sweet, salty in taste, that excels the smell of spoiled butter, ghee, oil, marrow, is whisk fibrous, sinks in water without mixing with it, and leads to disorder of kapha, are the symptoms of kapha vitiated breast milk. All the symptoms are mixed up in a condition of sarva dosha prakopa. The shloka for this is sarva drushtih sarva lingam abhigatasya dushyati. The test for stanya pariksha. According to dosha, it can be classified as vata, that which floats on water, pitta produces yellow lines on water, and kapha, that which sinks in water. Examination of breast milk based on taste and color. Breast milk is vitiated by Sukhanigraha. Taste will be katu, tikta. In vitiation of Skandagraha, Tridosha Lakshana are seen. In vitiation of Putanagraha, the taste of breast milk is madhura, katu, and leads to increased quantity of urine and fecus. Benefits of consumption of pure breast milk. Taila Varna of breast milk causes Balvana, that is strength of a child. Krita Varna of breast milk causes a Aishwarya Yukta, which is wealthy child. Dhuma Varna of breast milk causes Yashasvi, successful child. Shuddha Dugdha breast milk causes Sampanna, that is perfectly healthy child. Conclusion. The breastfeeding helps in gastrointestinal development and function. A good breastfeeding milk helps in the development of a human system, helps in conjunctive development of infants. Infants who are breastfed have reduced risk of infections. Theme for 2020 is support breastfeeding for a healthier planet. Take home message for this is breast milk provides strength and nutrition to the baby. Thank you.